Assalamu Alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to get out compatibility mode from Word document. Let's get started. Check the document is turned on compatibility mode. I will remove this compatibility mode from this document. Go to the file menu, click the info and click the convert compatibility mode and click OK. Now check the document compatibility mode is removed from this document. Now you can save this document your current version and file type Word document normal and click save. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.